Let me show you how I installed this Howdens kitchen.
Hi peeps, just another project here. Whole kitchen here will be renewed. I'll just take it all out and then basically put the new one in. All of it will be ripped out. So that door will be blocked in and the new kitchen will kind of cover it. There will be base units here as well, and part of the job is to cut an opening here so they have access to the utility room, which is right here. Let's do it. Crowbars up. Let's go. Now when I fit the end panels, like here, where it's gonna join the fridge or wherever the cupboard is, I always cut it on angle so I can put cables behind under the cupboard and I don't have to go underneath with the drill and breathe the dust. Okay. Rubber pads so we don't damage the panels.
Someone is guaranteed to win.
No dust. Right, so I've got some progress done. I've fitted most of the cupboards and the doors, frontals. Wasn't easy, but it's all mostly done. They are, I don't know if you can see, they're mostly in line, and thanks to that bad boy. So it's all leveled and plumb. It's all there. I just have to fit a few more things. So yeah, I wired the oven and the microwave directly to the switch over there, and then it goes down. So I got another one of those which is going to power the induction hob. It's no gas, so it's all electric. And got these pull out as well on both sides. I'll show you that in a minute. For now I'm just doing the sink, a bit of plumbing. So all these junk of elbows and bits will have to become something to make sure the water goes safely out where we want it. The sink is nice and solid, it's some sort of resin. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. A bit of a mark here, or dust. Dishwasher, oh yeah, but I'll show you in a minute. Let me just keep going with the plumbing. This is some sort of a Chinese copy of a proper waist trap, so I have to be really careful. I guess I'll probably put silicone everywhere on every joint, just so we're safe. And that's not flexing at all, it's not rubber. Right, I think I managed to do it. I put all the pipes and the elbows that were here right there, and I think it's doing the job. We'll put some water in a minute and that will tell us everything. We've got something left here, but that's not needed. That's a cap for that outlet, and currently the dishwasher is plugged in, so that's fine. That is in case if we need it, but we don't. So yeah, no more extra parts, which is a good sign. According to the diagram here, most of it is done. And we'll do the clean water now, the supply, and we'll get ready for the taps and everything else. It's gonna be one of those Quaker tap or Quaker, the hot water taps. So stay tuned. The tap now that I'm talking about, it's the, I don't know how I pronounce this, Quaker. It comes with a tank, which will go under the sink, and that is the actual tap. Very well wrapped. So, oh yeah, of that. But yeah, that's gonna go after the worktops. For now, I'll just try to prepare all the parts that I need there. Wish me luck. Right, so I'm just doing this plinth, the kickboard. I had to glue it in pieces just so it actually joins there properly, and then there's another piece that was made to fit there. The designers in Howdens are brilliant. So this is what I had to do, basically join these 5 cupboards in very strange angles. God knows what this angle is, and then God knows what that is, and that and that. This, the wall behind is far away, so this is what happens. Let me see if I could put this. Oh, that clicked nicely. That's amazing. Right, got some more to do. I think it needs a little bit of adjustment.
Good morning, AA. Just about this from Penny in South Benfleet in Essex. Says it's great to be home again after being taken fruit shopping. And for those of us, all the overseas mail and other Christmas cards now posted. Penny, this is very interesting indeed. This is the music you would love to hear this Monday afternoon. And she'll do her best to get in there early, and you should be in with a good chance.
Right, so that's almost done now. I'll just wait for the worktops to be installed. Then I will be able to fit the tap. Sink is already installed. It's all plumbed in, resting on a couple of buttons here. And it's quite flexible, it's got 5mm in each direction, so we're okay with that. Managed to move the drawer for the hob, moved it down because it was gliding on the worktop, and that's almost done. Plaster is coming in a minute to give us the price for this, so we can kind of have it on the same level with the rest of the wall, so the splashback can be glued on, and then the worktops and the rest of it. But yeah, it's getting there. We have achieved a lot. Soft close, of course. Microwave combination oven with a normal oven. Pretty much a lot. Another one of these pull-outs. All soft close. And guess what? Another fridge and freezer. Because why not? Yeah, why not have to? So that's there. With a lot of wall cupboards. And the fun is hidden here, it's integrated. So I did that boxing here for the fumes to go out. Yeah, it's happening. Just the tap. The tap is going to be one of those quokka taps, as I said before. Yeah, it's all sorted. Plumbing is sorted. So just waiting for the worktops, basically. Nice cushion, soft closed doors. Beautiful. Oh yeah, the radiator. Had to take the old one off because it was too big, and I installed this vertical radiator, which is just another beautiful thing on its own. There you go. All these here, we forgot about them. Wall units, which are now base units. With this little curve here. Sweet. I'll show you when the worktops are done. Next.
Catching up for Bob today, so just got a little bit of bonding in. You're always best putting it on a little bit thick, and then we'll use a straight edge to get it all off. So.
So we got it all finished. First thing is the little cupboards. These are wall cupboards, and they're just on legs now, and they became floor base units with a nice little curve, nice touch, and a corner post. So I fitted this radiator here. It's a nice addition, and it kind of fills the space nicely. And this is how the kitchen starts. It's one beast. Under-mounted sink, quokka tap. That is 99 degrees. Nice. Induction hob, 4 burner, all USB sockets, and they had a fast charger as well. Why not have 2 fridge freezers? Oh, look at that. That's one. Boom, another one. Just because we can. and a microwave oven. That doubles as a combi oven as well. Look at that. Boom. Bit dusty. All soft close. Thanks for watching everyone. See you on the next one.